Hello everyone, my name is Nikada Lucia Arsandi, my NPM number 0012. Today I would like to present my research proposal about improving student writing ability in descriptive text through collaborative writing technique of the 8th grade student of SMP Negeri 2 Selat in academic year 2021 and 2022. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background of the study. The elements of writing are consistency, cohesion, and unity. Graham 2008 states that in order to be an effective writer, students need to understand good writing quality and the various goals and writing style it uses. Regarding the importance of writing, most junior high school students still had some difficulty writing text and sentence. Research problem. The research problem of this study can be formulated as follows. Can writing ability of the 8th grade student of SMP Negeri 2 Selat in academic year 2021 and 2022 be improved through collaborative writing? Objective of the study. The specific purpose of the study is to find out whether or not the writing ability of the 8th grade student of SMP Negeri 2 Selat in academic year 2021 and 2022 can be improved through collaborative writing. Limitation of the study. In relation with objective of study, this study is focused on the use of collaborative writing to improve writing ability of the 8th grade student of SMP Negeri 2 Selat in academic year 2021 and 2022. Significance of the study. This research focuses on the importance of improving writing ability through the technique of collaborative writing, especially in descriptive text. In the study, the results are expected to provide meaningful and significant outcome of the research finding. Definition of key term. In order to make a better understanding concerning this study, there are some key terms which are operationally explained as follows. Number 1, writing ability. Writing ability is the skill to put together what you think or want to say using words. And number 2, descriptive text. Descriptive text first or describe place, thing, or person in such vivid detail that the reader can easily visualize. Number 3, collaborative writing. Collaborative writing is a derivation of the concept of cooperative learning. Chapter 2, Theoretical Review and Empirical Review. Theoretical review. The function of the theoretical review is to demonstrate the researcher knowledge and expertise in the chosen field of research, concentrating on the research problem some important point that should be explained based on some relevant theoretical review. The study is conducted on the ground of the following theoretical review. Number 1, writing ability. Number 2, descriptive text. Number 3, collaborative writing. And number 4, assessing writing. Empirical review. Blanton 1992 had done the research. In his research, he suggests using collaborative writing in small group make writing easier and clearly. This is because in the writing process that include drafting, revising, reading, and editing, students do it together. The students exchange information and respond to meet their own needs. Chapter 3, Research Method. Subject of the study. The researcher conduct the present study of 8th grade, which consists of 2 classes and which consists of 30 students are subject of this study. The problem faced by the student when they are in organizing and developing their idea to generate descriptive text. It became difficult for students to create a descriptive text without guidance from the teacher. Research design. The method which is used in this study is classroom action research. In this case, the researcher wants to improve the student ability in writing descriptive text through collaborative writing technique. Research procedure. This study aimed to improve the writing ability of the 8th grade student of SMP Negeri 2 Selat in the academic year 2021 and 2022 through CO writing. According to the design of this study, a hand-on classroom study will consist of several rounds. Each cycle consists of 2 sessions, and each cycle includes planning, action, observation, and reflection. Research instrument. Research instruments are tools that researchers use to gather the required data. There are 2 types of tools that researchers will use in this study. They are test and questionnaire. Data collection. In this study, there are 2 tools that researchers use to collect data in the course of examining classroom activity. There are tests, pre-tests, and post-tests, and questionnaire. Data analysis. The data come from a test given to 8th grade students at SMP Negeri 2 Selat who need to know their performance on a topic in writing using collaborative writing. The researcher used an adapted rubric of points from Hoshima Hogu 2007. There were 5 aspects that were scored, such as format, function and mechanic, content, organization, and grammar and sentence structure. Success indicator. If many students are still getting less score under 70, we need to hold any further action. And if half or more than 50% students improve their writing ability, it means that this research has been done successfully. So, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you.